Couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. College slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Draco with a drum, the bitch ain't never go stop. He on that 9 shit.
Hey, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my sauce. You can use this sauce for anything. So I have some olive oil and some onions, and some bell peppers, and I'm frying them till they are tender. And this sauce is really good, you guys, and you can use it for anything. You can use it for spaghetti. You can use it for anything, pretty much, basically lasagna, anything. This sauce is really good, you guys, and I don't mind sharing with you. I'm not a gatekeeper. So I have some black pepper. I'm gonna be using some onion powder, tomato paste, and I have all the ingredients listed in the top right corner above the screen, just in case if you guys can't keep up. So I have everything listed right above the screen, you guys. And I'm gonna be using some beef sausage, and they have this sausage at Publix or Walmart or probably your local grocery store. So right now I'm sauteing the sausage until it's like brown, sauteed. Just cook it to your likings. And I have also some olive oil inside, and then I'm going to be adding some chuck ground beef and some Italian seasonings. And as I said, you guys, everything that I will be using is listed in the video or in the video description, just in case if you guys can't keep up. So as you know, when you cook ground beef, you're going to cook ground beef until it's no more pink left. It don't have to be burnt. I know some people like to cook their ground beef extra brown. I mean, I don't cook mine that way. I just cook it till there is pretty much no more pink left inside of it. So as you guys can see, I'm just adding some more seasonings to this. You guys, you don't have to follow my recipe. You can use your own seasonings, whatever that you feel is best to your likings, but this is how I do mine. So you guys kind of bear with me if the pan is not sizzling extra hot. I'm a single mom of 3, and I am currently cooking these meals inside of our extended stay hotel. We have a full stove, so I can cook full meals just like any other regular person. So here I am. I'm chopping up the ground beef, and it's best to chop it up like this, you guys, so that way you don't have chunks, extra big chunks in your sauce. So I'm mixing everything together, as you can see. Mix. And then I have some tomato paste that I'm adding inside. I like to use tomato paste so that it can stick to the meat, and then you can taste all the flavors. So this is what it looks like after you're done mixing the tomato paste together. It's gonna look just like this, you guys. You just keep mixing it. Stir. You can use any tomato paste of your choice, you guys. So this is my first cooking video, so bear with me. So right here I have some crushed tomatoes, and I'm not using the whole can. I'm just using a little bit out of the can. of some crushed tomatoes. As you can see, and then I mix it together. Then I also added 1 chicken and tomato bouillon inside of here for flavor. And I also added a little bit of hot sauce. No, it's not going to be spicy, but it's just to kick it up a notch. And I also added some more seasonings to it so that it can be seasoned. You know, you want your sauce to be seasoned. And I added some Creole seasoning, as you can see. A little bit of Creole seasoning. And you guys just pretty much just watch me. And I know some of y'all out there already know how to cook and you don't need no pointers, but you know, we all can learn something new from someone else. And guys, don't forget that you gotta add your pasta sauce to it. So as you can see right here, I added some pasta sauce to mine. You can use any brand that you like. Make sure you season. And this will be the final look of the sauce. And it is very good. No, it's not salty. It is just right. It's real good. I mean, I know how to cook, so I would just say try this recipe and tell me what you think.